Now we are going to study question from October 2020 exam. Okay, everyone give the heading October 2020 question 2. Okay, everyone please try to read the question with me carefully. Okay, this is nice question. We are going to learn lot of things in this question. We have a 30 kg block. Okay, everyone try to read the question with me. We have a 30 kg block tethered to a 15 kg block on a plane inclined at 45 degree above the horizontal as shown in figure. The coefficient of friction between the 30 kg block. So here we have a two different coefficient of friction. The coefficient of friction between 30 kg block and the plane is how much? 0.25, and coefficient of friction between 15 kg block and the plane is 0.375. Try to see the scenario here. And what they are saying? Calculate the tension in the cord. Okay, so what we have to find out here? We have to find out force. We have to find out. Okay, now try to see the scenario how we are going to deal with this such type of scenario here. So here we have a inclined plane is here. This is what our inclined plane. Okay, try to see the scenario. This inclined plane is making how much angle, everyone? This inclined plane is making how much angle? 45 degree. Okay, this inclined plane is making how much angle? This plane is making angle 45 degree with respect to what? Horizontal. So this is what a plane. So this is a plane. This is a horizontal. With respect to horizontal, how much angle, everyone? 45 degree. Oh, okay, so this is what a plane. So here on this plane we have what? A 30 kg mass. So this is what a 30 kg mass. Try to observe the things carefully, everyone. Don't write anything, don't draw anything. So this is what our 30 kg mass, and it is connected to what, guys? 30 kg mass is connected to what? 15 kg mass. Okay, tethered. Okay, means connected by some cable or wire. Okay, so this is what our 15 kg mass. So this is what a 15 kg mass. Try to observe the things. 1 minute. So this is what a 15 kg mass. Okay, try to see the scenario. 30 kg mass, then this is what? 15 kg mass. Okay, now the next point is what? 30 kg, 15 kg. Okay, they are connected. Okay, so in this way they have connected. Now what is our target? So here there will be what, guys? There will be tension. So this is a tension F and this is a tension F. Okay, same cable. Okay, so by default tension is the same here. No pulley, so no confusion. So and what is our target in this question? We have to find out this F. Okay, what is our target in this question? We have to find out this F. So this is what a 30 kg mass. So weight of this 30 kg mass will be weight how much? The weight will be what here? How much will be the weight? This weight will be how much, guys? 30 g. This is how much mass? 15 kilogram. So weight will be how much? So how much will be the weight? 15 g. G stand for what? Acceleration due to gravity. Yeah? Okay, so this is what a 15 g. Try to see the point here. Now next point is what? How is the motion? How the objects will go, guys? By default object will go downward. Okay, how the object will go? Object will go what? Downward. So motion will be here downward. Okay, and x and y direction for both the object will be like this. This is x. Try to see the scenario. X and y, everyone. So this is a x, this is a y for both the objects, or I will make it little bit big. So this is what a motion of both the object. In the direction of motion there is acceleration. So this is what our x direction, this is what our y direction, and for both the object x and y direction will be same. Okay, because both are moving downward. Now the next point is what? Here there will be what, guys? A normal reaction. There will be what? Normal reaction. Normal reaction is what? Always normal to the plane. So this normal reaction will be what? What we will say? We will say Rn1 and if motion is going down, so what will be the friction force, everyone? What will be friction force? Upward along the plane. What will be the friction force, guys? Okay, upward along the plane, opposite to the motion. Same scenario will be here also. So here, what we will say? Normal reaction, what, everyone? Rn2. Okay, and then friction force will be what? Opposite to the motion. So this will be what, everyone? Fr2. Now what about this 300G? This 300G, sorry, 30G. What about this 30G? This 30G neither in X nor in Y. So what we have to do? We have to take the component. And how to take the component, guys? In such type of scenario, we are going to form a rectangle. How we are going to form a rectangle? One line perpendicular to the plane, another parallel to the plane, again perpendicular to the plane. In this way, we are going to form a rectangle. So here, try to see the scenario here, everyone. So this angle will be what? 45 degree. So this is what, one component. So this is one component, this is another component. What about this component, guys? 30G cos 45, and this is what? 30G what? Sin 45. The same scenario will be here also with 15G. We are going to again form a component. Try to see the scenario here, everyone. Okay, and how we are going to form a component? This will be one component perpendicular to the plane. See, this plane component is what? Perpendicular to the plane. Another component will be what? Parallel to the plane. And this angle will be what? 45 degree. So 15G what? Sin 45. Okay. And this will be what? 15G what? Cos 45. Okay. Try to see the point here. Okay. Everyone getting my point? You got the target. This is what our target. So first of all, draw this drawing. Okay. And then they have given coefficient of friction also for this plane. Okay. For this plane, what is the value of coefficient of friction? What is the value of mu? We will say mu1. How much value of mu1 they have given us? Guys, please check the question. How much value of mu? Okay, so this is what for this plane 0.25. And for this means plane is the same, guys. For this 30 kg mass and this plane 0.25. For 15 kg mass and the plane, inclined plane, how much? For this one 0.375. So here please be careful. Coefficient of friction is different. And here both are on the same plane and going together. It means what, guys? Their acceleration of this mass and acceleration of this mass will be same. Okay, everyone. So before going further, what you have to do? Before going further, what you have to do, guys? Please try to draw this drawing properly. Okay. Write down the target. Okay, everyone. Show the x and y direction properly. These components. Everyone, please. Please, everyone. Draw this drawing. Remember one point in mechanics, drawings are very, very important. Now guys, what is our target here? In this question, what is our target here? What we have to find out? We have to find out this F tension. Okay. So that is what our target. And how to find out, guys? Simple story. So first of all, we will consider 30 kg mass. What we will consider 30 kg mass. Okay. So for first of all, everyone observe the scenario. For 30 kg mass. Everyone, please be careful. Try to see the scenario. Yesterday we have done a mistakes. Okay. So first of all, we will start our discussion is with what? Summation of forces in what? Y direction. What we will start? Summation of forces in what? Y direction. Is there any motion in Y direction here? Is there any motion in Y direction? No motion in Y direction. So summation of forces in Y direction will be equal to what? 0. Okay. Summation of forces in Y direction equal to 0. What are the forces here? Y direction for 30 kg mass. So Rn1 30G cos 45. So Rn1 positive minus 30G cos 45 is equal to 0. So Rn1 will be equal to what? 30 multiplied by 9.81 into cos 45. Okay. So please everyone do the calculation and tell me the value of Rn1. Everyone please do the calculation. .1015 unit Newton. So we got it Rn1. After Rn1 what we are going to do, guys? We are going to calculate what? Fr1. What is the reason behind calculating Rn1? We need a Fr1. Okay. So Rn1, Fr1 is equal to what? Mu Rn1. What is the value of mu, everyone? What is the value of mu? So here we will say mu1. What we will say? Mu1. So mu1. Okay. So mu1 is what? 0.25. Rn1 is what? 208.1015. So Fr1 will be equal to what? So Fr1 will be equal to what, everyone? Please do the calculation. 0.25 multiplied by 208.1015. Check it out, everyone. Please let me know if I have done any mistake. 52.0254 unit Newton. So we got it Fr1. Then what we are going to do? We are going to take summation of forces in what? Summation of forces in what? X direction. And here summation of forces in x direction equal to what? Ma, mass into acceleration. Okay. So try to see the scenario here. So next point will be what? Summation of forces in x direction here. What are the forces here in x direction? First of all, what, guys? 30g sin 45, it is positive. Okay. So 30g sin 45. 30g sin 45. Okay. 30g sin 45, it is what? Positive. Then this F, don't consider this F. This F is acting on the 30 kg mass. This F is acting on the 15 kg mass. Okay. Try to see the point here, everyone. So this F opposite x direction minus F. Any other force, guys? Any other force? Everyone observe the scenario. Is there any other? Minus Fr1 will be equal to what? What is the value of mass? 30 kilogram into acceleration. Acceleration is unknown to us. Okay, try to see the point here. Very simple scenario. Okay, yesterday we have seen, in last lectures we have seen such type of numericals. So F will be equal to what, guys? What will be F? Okay, F will be equal to what? 30g sin 45. I have shifted this F, this side, minus Fr1, okay, minus 30a. Check it, guys. If there is any mistake from my side, please let me know. Is it okay? Okay. So, guys, so what we can write here further? Try to see the point here, everyone. So F will be equal to what? F will be equal to what? 30 into 9.81 into sin 45 minus how much Fr1? 52.0254. 52.0254 minus what? 30a. So F will be equal to what, guys? Okay, everyone. How much? 156.0761 minus 30a, and we will say it as a what? We will say this one as a equation 1. Okay. Similarly, we will consider 15 kg mass, and for 15 kg mass, we will take the equation 2. Okay. So first of all, guys, write down this up to equation 1. Everyone, please write down up to equation 1. Now, guys, what we are going to do? We are going to consider what? 15 kg mass. Okay. So same scenario we are going to do for what? For the 15 kg mass. Try to see the scenario here. The same scenario what we are going to do for the 15 kg mass. Again for the 15 kg mass we are going to derive relation in terms of F. Okay. And then we will say it as equation number 2. So for 15 kg mass, okay, summation of forces in y direction equal to what, guys? 0. Okay. Summation of forces in y direction equal to 0. Okay. So what are the forces here for 15 kg mass y direction? Rn2. Okay. Positive. So Rn2 minus what? 15g what? 15g what? Cos 45 is equal to what, guys? 0. So Rn2 will be equal to what? 15 multiplied by 9.81 into cos 45. Okay. So what will be the Rn2, everyone? What will be the value of Rn2? 15 multiplied by 9.81 into what? Cos of 45. How much we are getting, everyone? Can anyone tell me? 104.05. Check it out. 0508 Newton. So we got what? What we got, guys? Rn2. Then by using Rn2, what we will get? Fr2, friction force 2. Okay. We will say mu2 into Rn2 because coefficient of friction for both the object 30 kg and 15 kg is different here. So what? So Fr2 will be what? So Fr2 will be what? What is the value of mu2, everyone? How much? 0.375. Okay. See, for this object 0.375 into what? 104.0508. Okay. So what is the value of Fr2, everyone? 0.375 into 104.0508. So how much value we are getting, everyone? 39.019 Newton. Okay. So we got what? What we got, guys? Fr2. Then after Fr2, what we are going to take? Summation of forces in what? X direction. Summation of forces in X direction equal to what, everyone? Equal to what? Summation of forces in X direction equal to what, everyone? Ma. Okay, try to see the scenario. Summation of forces in X direction equal to Ma. So here what is the scenario? What are the forces here in X direction? First of all, F, it is positive. Then what? Plus 15g sin 45. Okay, everyone try to see the scenario. 15g sin 45. After that, guys, what will be the next point? 15g sin 45 minus Fr2 is equal to what? What is the mass? 15 kilogram into, okay, into acceleration. So F will be equal to what, guys? Observe the things. Sometimes I may do mistakes. Okay. 15a minus 15g sin 45 minus Fr2. Okay. Observe the things here carefully, everyone. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? So F will be equal to what? 15a. 15 multiplied by 9.81 into sin 45 minus Fr2 is how much, guys? So minus 39.019. Okay. So please, everyone, do the calculation. I have done any mistake here, guys? Again, I have done mistake. A blunder is here. What is the mistake I have done here, guys? Try to observe the things here carefully. So always, what is the mistake I have? Okay, so please be careful, everyone. So your teacher is doing lot of mistake from yesterday. Okay, so please be careful. So 15a. Okay, please everyone calculate this one. So minus 15, everyone, minus 15 multiplied by 9.81 into sin 45 plus 39.019. How much value we are getting, everyone? How much value? Make it, consider here minus and here plus. Observe the things here. How much we are getting, guys? Can anyone tell me? Check it guys, those who got minus 65.0318. Okay, so we got F. Okay, everyone got the same answer, and we will consider this as our equation 2. What we will consider? This is what our equation 2. Okay, so earlier we have this is what equation 1. I have written this is for my reference here. Okay, this is what our equation 1. This equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 we got from this 30 kilogram mass. Okay, 30 kg mass. Okay, so we got equation 1. Then on equating equation 1 and 2, we will get what? Acceleration, and we are going to substitute value of acceleration in equation 1. We will get what we will get? Guys, tension. That is what our target here. Our target is what? We have to find out F. So please everyone write down up to equation 2 for 15 kg mass. Guys, everyone. So guys, now what we are going to do? Here what we are going to do? We are going to equate equation 1 and 2. So try to see the scenario here, everyone. So for equation 1 and 2, if you observe this equation 1 and 2, just observe the equation 1 and 2 in your notebook guys. Okay. So if you observe equation 1 and 2, left hand side of both the equation is same. So if the left hand side is same, then by default right hand side will also same. Okay. So what? On equating, everyone try to see the scenario. On equating, what everyone? Equation 1 and 2. Okay, on equating equation 1 and 2, try to see the point here. So 156.0761 minus 30A is equal to what guys? 15A minus 65.0318. Okay, try to see the point here, everyone. So we can shift this side, this side. So try to see the point here, everyone. Please let me know if I have done any mistake. Okay, please be careful. So 156.0761 plus 65.0318, everyone, is equal to what? 15A plus what? 30A. Okay, everyone, are you getting my point? Try to see the point here. Okay, so please calculate right hand side. Left hand side first of all. Everyone, please calculate left hand side. How much? 221. Please check it, everyone. 156.0761 plus 65.0318. How much, everyone? 221. How much? 221.1079. And this is what? 45A. So acceleration will be equal to what guys? 221.1079 divided by what? 45. 4.9135 meter per second square. Okay, acceleration unit. Don't forget the unit. And we are going to substitute A. Substitute A in what? Equation 1. Okay, we are going to substitute A in equation 1. Okay, so this is what F will be equal to what guys according to equation A? 156.0761. Check it guys, everyone. Minus 30A. So this is what our equation 1. This is what our equation 1. So F will be equal to what? 156.0761 minus 30 into A is how much guys? 4.9135. Very simple question, guys. So what is the value of F we are getting guys? 8 point, how much? 6711 Newton. Okay, so in this way we got the value of F. Okay, everyone, anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Very simple guys. From last 2 days, means from last 2 to 3 lectures, we are dealing with only such type of numericals. From one equation we derive expression in terms of, from one object we derive expression in terms of F. From another object we derive expression in terms of F. We are going to equate these two expressions. Then we will get the acceleration, and from acceleration we will get the tension. Okay, everyone, getting my point? Please everyone write down this point.